I decided it was time I took on another big renovation project. This one is a big old Dutch colonial house and it needs a ton of work. From raising it up 2 feet to completely gutting the interior of this house, my new project is going to be a doozy.
Hey, Mom.
We're raising the house 2 feet so we can have a full walk-in ceiling height basement. All the prep work has been done, the oil has been drained, the plumbing has been removed, the electrical has been stripped, the plaster has been taken down. There was just so many things that had to happen in order to get the beams in so that we can lift it.
We're all done demolition, and now we're removing the chimney for the next 3 days. That's the last step before lifting the house. So, we're gonna go up.
Hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
Here we go.
Coming down.
4. Kale's gonna get mad at me for doing this to his hammer.
Ah, he'll be right. Moscow, go Moscow. She-Hulk, She-Hulk. Don't make her mad, I don't want to see her turn green.
Once the chimney comes down, we should be expecting the wood any minute now. We can start building the knee wall. This is the foundation. We're gonna put a 2-foot knee wall onto it when the house is raised. So we have to have it ready, house gets raised, we assemble it, bam, bam, bam.
The big day is here. We're lifting the house. We finally got all the permits through. The new center plan for Halifax is in effect. That means we can go up, we can go bigger. We've got the house lifters here. They're sticking 2 beams in from the front to the back. They are 42 feet or something long, and then 2 beams through the windows on the side of the house that are around 26 feet long. They are all being held by cribbing underneath. It's all been designed to spec by an engineer, so we know this is 100%, 1,000% safe, that when we lift this 100-year-old house, it'll come back down in one piece. We put a lot of work into preparing for this day, so it's all gonna happen super fast. So if you've never seen a house be lifted, get ready because it's gonna be exciting. I think I'm gonna have to do a little landscaping. I'm back to my old antics, bringing donuts around to the construction crew to make sure everybody's in good spirits. I don't think there's enough Boston creams in here. Remember, it was the construction special last time? Let's see who wants one. You guys you want a donut or a muffin? Oh yeah, nice. Donut? Oh yeah. I hired a new guy on the team. His name is Joe. He's a giant and he takes his job very seriously. I can tell you he's a little bit jumpy today. So I'm pretty sure if the camera came up right behind him, he would hop.
Oh my God.
Do you want to get mic'd up and then you can walk Martin through the basement and show him how it looks?
Not today. I can't.
So he's about to give us all the safety prep talk before we lift the house.
Okay. So good afternoon, everybody. Just another wonderful regular day at 1630 Vernon Street. Nothing happening here, except we're lifting the house.
And does it pop? Like, will we hear it
Oh,
pop?
it'll pop and creak and moan and groan. Jimmy will give us the all clear that we're good to go.
And then we'll put the knee wells in from the outside?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna come up in here and then we're gonna drill them down, nail them together, and then we're gonna put the lateral braces on the wall. So when we're installing the knee wall, so watch out for your pinch points. So basically keep your fingers out of the line of fire when you're putting them in. Julie and Kale, you guys are gonna be setting the knee wall up. You guys will be on the long run by yourself. So I'm gonna be taking care of the fillers in this backside. So you two are gonna be moving the generator, moving power cords, but be aware of your surroundings because they're gonna be changing very quickly.
What am I doing, Joe? Am I just commentary?
You're the boss, you do whatever you want. You just opened the bottle of champagne and we had a good day.
Welcome to the underside of this operation. The I-beams are going across the house. There's cribbing. We got here early. We prepared for the guys by laying out all the knee walls. And We had to chip away as they brought their I-beams in. So there was some jackhammering, there was some sawzalling, there was some hammer drilling, everything. So yeah, we're on the home stretch.
I'm actually as cool as a cucumber. Everybody keeps asking me if I'm nervous, but I mean, the house is already ripped apart, half ripped apart anyway, so I think it'll be okay. I did not think I would be lifting the house. These guys have a lot of faith in me.
But it's gonna be creaking and moaning.
Okay.
All right. When he says go, you go with him.
Do we hold it in?
Go, yeah. Push it the other way. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
I see it lifting! Are we stopping? It's very powerful lifting a 100-year-old house. 3, 2, 1.
We're not even at a foot yet.
There's the shake in the window again. So you look away and then you look back and it's higher.
Come on, baby. Hold. We're down. She's down, boys. She's down. Thank God. I can finally sleep again. Well, we lowered the house down first thing this morning. Went down without a hitch. The whole crew at Hunter's House Raising were amazing. This was 2 months in planning and prepping, but with the small crew that we had, we made do. I couldn't be any more pleased with how things went, but this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go, and we have a lot of work to do.